I don't fry chicken in oil anymore. Now I only fry it in water to start today's recipe. Place 1 kilo of chicken legs in a pot with hot water. I'm sure you'll be impressed with the result. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix everything very well. Oh, and before I forget, tell me what city you're watching. I forget, tell me what city you're watching from, so I can send you a special shout out. Today's hug goes to Lyka Rose from Cavite, Philippines. I'm so glad you're enjoying the recipes. It's so really easy, practical and quick to make, no reason not to try it. Again, and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Using just a few everyday ingredients, we can make something more flavorful than restaurant meals. Next, add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Pour in a 1/4 cup of salt soy sauce. This recipe has been one of my favorites since the first time I made it at home. There are never any leftovers. Cover and cook for 10 more minutes. Share this recipe with your friend who loves chicken. I'm sure they'll love it. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I learned this trick from the owner of a 5-star restaurant. Now I can't eat chicken any other way. It's very important to stir everything so the flavors come together. To give it a special, you can with a view. Sprinkle sliced parsley. Can use as you think to add, also be used with the other. Shawarma, and if you don't want it to smell ola or lemon, some salt, your taste to taste buds. I'm sure this will make your meal little after. It's as delicious as a snack. Recipe that doesn't take much time, this is the one. It's a perfect option for those days when you don't have much time in the kitchen. This is definitely the best way to brighten someone's day. Thanks for watching, enjoy!